Hello children, good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Very good. Okay, so now today in this video we are going to read about a very interesting story about a girl whose name was Amoli. And as per your book, this is chapter number 2. As you can see, I have written here chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is A White Belt for Amoli. The name of the chapter is A White Belt for Amoli. Before starting the chapter, I would tell you what is the story about. The story is about a young girl whose name was Amoli, and she was very much interested in karate, judo karate. You know what is karate? Judo karate, taekwondo. You must have seen also, Hana. So she was very much interested in doing karate because her older brother, बड़े भाई जो थे, her older brother, he used to do karate. He used to go to the karate class for training, for practice, and she used to watch him daily. So she also had in her heart, in her mind, that she also wanted to join the karate classes, but her family, her parents, they said that she cannot do that. She cannot join the karate class. Why? What was the reason? The reason which they gave, that this game is not for girls. The girls cannot play this game. But she was adamant, she was determined. So what she did after getting this from her parents, कि girls ये काम नहीं कर सकती हैं, girls ये game नहीं खेल सकती हैं. But what she did, that we will see further in the story. Okay, so this is the story about. Now we are going to start with the explanation part. Amoli was greatly interested in learning karate like her older brother Sudhir, but when she asked the elders in her family if she could also enroll in his karate class, they discouraged her. Read this story to find out how clever Amoli finally got to join the karate class. Amoli was greatly, as I told you in the introduction of the story, that she was very much interested in doing the karate, in learning the karate, because her older brother used to do that, learn, okay? But when she asked her elders in the family, when she asked to join, then what the elders said, that she cannot have that. When she asked her to get her name enroll in the karate class, there is a new word, enroll. See, enroll is written here. Enroll means to enter, to get it register, नाम लिखवाना, ठीक है? But her family denied. Her family said, no, you cannot do this. Instead, they discouraged her. Discouraged means no support. कोई सपोर्ट नहीं दिया उसको, बिल्कुल भी हेल्प ही नहीं करी उसकी कोई, कि वो ये कराटे क्लास ज्वाइन कर सके. कोई हेल्प नहीं करी उसकी. Read this story to find out how clever Amoli finally got to join the karate class. But she was determined. She said in her heart, she decided that no, I will do this. So how very cleverly she had got her name enrolled in karate class. Why can't I learn karate too? Like Sudhir. Her brother's name was Sudhir. 11-year-old Amoli asked her mother as she watched her elder brother tie his green karate belt around his waist before he left for his karate class. Why can't I learn karate too? Too means मैं भी. If my brother Sudhir is doing this, so why can't I? She asked her mother. Amoli was 11 years old. She asked her mother about this, as she used to daily watch her elder brother wearing a green belt. Karate dress होती है, white color की dress होती है. It's of white color and different colors of belts are there which you tie. ठीक है? So her brother had a green color belt. Green color belt around his waist. This waist is kamar, W-A-I-S-T, waist, kamar. Before he left for his karate class, before going to his karate class, he used to get into the uniform of karate. Because you are a girl, that's why, said Sudhir. Everyone knows karate is for boys. Then her brother replied that you are a girl, you cannot do this. And everybody knows that this is the game only for boys. Only boys can do it. No, it's not. It's for everyone. Why can't I learn it too? I bet I'll be good at it too. Perhaps even better than you are, if I'm just given a chance. She said, no, it's not like that. It's for everyone. Then why can't I? मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती हूँ ये काम? I can also learn, and I bet you. Bet means शर्त लगाना. And I bet you that if I have given a chance, one chance, then I will prove it that I am better than you. She is talking with her brother Sudhir. But you won't get a chance, replied Sudhir as he left the room. And after getting ready, replied to her question that you cannot get a chance, and he left from the room. Amoli was very interested in karate and wanted to join Sudhir's karate class, but her family members discouraged her. She was very much interested in joining, but her family members, they were not in the support. Even they did not support and they discouraged her. Discourage means no support. उसको कोई support नहीं दिया family ने. No support was given. No help was given. Nobody was there to help her out. Karate is only for boys, said her mother and grandmother. Father never even replied when she appealed to him. Appealed. Again a word. Appealed. A-P-P-E-A-L-E-D. Appealed. Appealed means requested. Mother and grandmother said that karate is only for boys. You cannot do. And father, he never even talked about that. He never even replied a word regarding this, because he was also totally not in the favor of sending Amoli for joining the karate. She requested him very much, but still, Amoli just couldn't make her family members change their minds. They were so tough, they were so strict that Amoli, she was not able to make them ready that she can join the class. However, she was not willing to give up easily. After thinking hard, she came up with a plan. One day, as Sudhir was leaving for his karate class, she ran behind him. But after all these things, after all these happenings in the family with her, she did not give up easily. She said, no, let it be. I'll do it. मैं करूँगी. I'll do it. ठीक है? After thinking hard, she had a plan. बहुत सोचा उसने. Then she had a plan. What was the plan? One day, as Sudhir was leaving for his karate class, she ran behind him. उसके पीछे भागी. One day when he was going, he was getting, daily he used to go for his karate class, है ना? Isn't it? Yes. So one day when he was going, she ran behind him. Wait, she called out. I want to come too. Just wait, wait, she shouted. Sudhir, wait, I will come with you. What for? Asked Sudhir. Sudhir said, for what do you want to come with me? I want to watch and see how karate is taught. Amoli replied quietly. She said, धीरे से बोली वो, जिससे कि कोई और सुन न ले. I want to see and watch and see that how karate is taught. Karate कैसे सिखाया जाता है? You can't watch, said Sudhir firmly. My master doesn't allow any outsiders in the class. You cannot watch. You cannot see the karate class going on because the teacher, my teacher is there. He never allows the outsiders. Outsiders, here you can see outsiders I have written here. Outsiders means strangers, those who are new, those who are unknown. So he said you are an unknown for him, person for him. So he will not allow you to be in my karate class. You can't watch. I'll do your homework daily if you let me come, said Amoli as she ran alongside Sudhir. She had a plan in her mind. The plan was that she asked Sudhir that okay, because Sudhir doesn't like to do that work. And what was the work? Doing homework. So she said, okay, Sudhir, I'll help you out. I'll do your homework daily if you will take me, if you will allow me to join your karate class. Sudhir stopped running. As he heard this, he stopped running. He was going for the class. He stopped. He didn't like doing homework and Amoli's offer was tempting. Amoli continued, I'll even lend you a bit of my pocket money sometimes if you take me to karate class regularly. So another plan she had, another thing she had, one was the homework, and as he heard this, he stopped. He thought that wow, this process, because he didn't like this proposal is very tempting. Tempting means attracting. जिसको देख के कोई चीज खिंच जाता है, अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, अच्छा लगता है उसको वो. So उसका प्लान जो था, it was getting successful. So plan first was to do the homework of his brother, and the other was that if you allow me, if you will take me, I will lend you a bit of my pocket money. Amoli said कि अगर तुम मुझे लेकर जाओगे तो मैं तुम्हें अपनी pocket money में से कुछ share दूंगी, कुछ पैसे दूंगी if you take me to karate class regularly. So these two things she offered her brother. Okay, said Sudhir, agreeing finally, but my master must never see you and make sure that father and mother don't find out about this. He got ready. Okay, ठीक है, I'll take you, but remember, there you will sit in such a manner that my master, my teacher won't see you. Otherwise, you will get scolding and I will also be out of the class. ध्यान रखना कि वो तुम्हें देख ना पाए. And at home also, घर में father and mother or any other member would not know about this. किसी को इस बारे में पता ना चले.